Welcome to 7520 Sleepy Creek Avenue in the city of Fontana. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,590 square feet. As you enter the home, you enter into this large open living room space, your dining room, and your gorgeous kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and the home has recessed lighting. The first bedroom is located on the first level, and it has its own full bathroom. As you come upstairs, you enter into this beautiful loft area that is wired for a projector for all of your entertaining needs. This is another bedroom, and it also has a walk-in closet. So your laundry room is located up here on the second floor. Full-size laundry room with lots of storage for all of your towels and blankets. The third bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Let's go check out the master. This huge master bedroom, you guys. Isn't it really, really big? And there are 2 walk-in closets here, double vanities, walk-in shower, and a separate toilet area. Okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this beautiful home. If you're looking for a home, feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions about this property, you can contact me. My phone number is 951-722-6356, and I'll see you in the next one.